One of the country's most wanted men was arrested in Portland Wednesday evening. 31-year-old Davian Bryan is now facing charges in connection with a series of abductions and rape. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Davian Bryan haunted communities in Portland and St. Thomas for close to 6 months. He was wanted for illegal possession of firearm, wounding with intent, and was the face of fear for women and young girls in particular, following a series of rape and abductions. But his reign of terror came to an end Wednesday evening when the police nabbed him during a raid in the Durham district in Hope Bay, Portland. Security intelligence indicated Bryan was in the parish for over 2 weeks, and the police have been trying to nab him since.
He was in the parish from March 9 when we had confirmation that Bryan was in Portland. We have launched several targeted raids, snap raids. We did the community walkthrough, and we had covert operations at the premises where we know his known associates are.
The police say the 31-year-old remained elusive because he was being aided by some residents.
What our strategy was to dry up the resources because we had information that he was being assisted. So we launched a deliberate strategy to ensure that the family members and associates did not get a chance to assist him. So we ensured that we intercepted all movements and communication with the family.
No arrests have been made in relation to those who assisted him. The police explained that some persons who sold him food supplies did not know who he was initially. But after consultations with community members, pictures of him were shared with residents and some of the transactions with him stopped. The police commander at the same time thanked the law-abiding residents for their help in locating Bryan and encouraged residents to continue to participate in the fight against crime.
With the capture of Davian Bryan was not by chance or by luck. It was through the efforts of the police working with the citizens of the communities of Norwich, Durham, and other surrounding communities.
Investigators are asking individuals who were assaulted by unknown assailants in the Durham and surrounding areas of Portland recently to come forward with the information. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
And there was relief in Durham and nearby communities in Portland Thursday as news circulated that Bryan had finally been arrested. Residents say he drove fear into them, and they were especially worried about the well-being of their daughters.
Community are going good and now we feel free. I can go bush go plant my plant and sucker them. Free. I'm not afraid. For my two daughters them again like I'm afraid. Feel good and now.
I feel good too. Everybody feel good. Man fight for woman then let woman them afraid.
I weeks though, I not go to my yard, you know. I have to there so I shield my people them. Weeks. God up at heaven, no. I never want to catch. I never want him. I want to hold him. You see me? And you know, last night I there when the rain fall, I said to our brethren, say, you know, say, it's a good time now for you to say your claim, because I must say summer dry, you know. You see, after already there when them there go and the place does tent, nobody now go out, nobody now go out. As it touch, I just pay a dog here at night time. I just see dog them there on the road, nobody.